this is a question we get asked many times, when I'm looking to buy a property. Should I buy an old one? Should I buy a new one? Well, there's no empirically correct answer to that. If you are looking to buy an older property, perhaps you've had some experience, you've been in the construction sector, or you've had some other experience at how to add value to a building, to a property, or you may be nearing retirement. You might have extra time on your hands where you can do that. So you could renovate, etc., redevelop, and add some value to that property. And I think that's a very sensible thing to look at. Certainly for most of our clients, they're unfortunately not in that bracket because they're very time poor, as we said. And certainly if you're living overseas, then it's pretty difficult to do all of those things. And quite frankly, it's difficult to outbid professional builders or developers these days when trying to obtain something like that. So for most of our clients, new dwellings tend to be a better solution, especially if they're built by builders that have a good track record of providing, high quality. So you don't have repairs and maintenance to worry about. You've got warranties and insurance. You tend to get better tenants, and it's easier to rent and manage those. We find most of our clients would like a no-touch solution, which obviously doesn't exist. But if you can make it low-touch like that, you don't have to deal with property managers or tenants. It's a much easier investment investment to deal with.